Indian Aftermarket is now offering a beautiful aluminum cast medallion to go on the horn cover of the 111 motorcycles. It is cast in a special aluminum alloy that's got magnesium in it, and it takes a high shine, and it doesn't require any preservation like clear coat or anything like that. It holds up great in the weather. The kit comes with everything you need to install it and give it a nice permanent mount on the side of your bike. Alright, so let's install this thing and show you how it's done. First, you're going to need to remove the horn cover, which is held on by 3 screws. Use an Allen wrench. In this case, we've got a gas cap holder with another product of ours on there, but in any case, you pull the 3 Allen wrench screws out, or socket head screws, and then the horn cover just comes off easily. Now that the horn cover is off, we need to remove the stock medallion that came with it. A lot of them say Indian on it. And that is done by taking a narrow object like a screwdriver, something that will fit in these 4 holes, and you just begin by pushing through. The stock medallion is held on by double stick tape, so you're just gently pushing until you can finally get that tape to tear away and remove the medallion. The next step is we need to drill a 1/4-inch hole in the middle of the flat area where the medallion goes. You can use the rubber backing that came with the medallion as a guide to kind of show you where the middle is, and then just take any drill and a 1/4-inch bit and drill through the middle. It's a fairly soft metal, it's not steel or anything, so you should be able to get through it pretty easily. And obviously don't do it over your knees or you'll get a hole in your knee. Once you get that hole in, now you're ready to put it back on your bike. Assembly is pretty straightforward. You're going to put the rubber backing on the back of the medallion with the holes lined up, and then put the screw through, and then push that through the hole that you drilled into your horn cover. Now you can position the medallion however you want. You obviously need to leave access to the 3 mounting screw holes. Then put the washer and nut on the back and tighten it up. It's a little awkward tightening it up, but once you get it nearly snug, you can reposition the medallion to where you want it and then tighten it up completely. Yes, we have a metal roof and it rains in Georgia when I'm trying to produce videos. Now that the medallion is mounted on the horn cover, simply reinstall it on your bike with the 3 socket head screws that hold it on. And again, in this case, we're remounting our gas cap holder. But without that, you just simply put the 3 screws in. Once done, you now have a beautiful addition to your bike. And remember, you can rotate the medallion to any position you want. I think this position looks good, but of course everybody's got their own opinion. Thank you for watching, and please check out our website, indianaftermarket.com, for this and many other fine products for your Indian motorcycles.